Hi, my name is Yahya. Thanks for having me today in your amazing event. I work at Advanced Media as a drone solution engineer. I've been in this business since 2019, and today we were attending a drone dock workshop with TDC and the flight base. It was amazing, and I can see that there are a lot of potential now and in the future for this kind of concept, if I can say, drone in a box or drone autonomy. So in my workflow at Advanced Media, we have the drone department, and we mainly focus on the public safety solutions. So I can see that deploying drone in a box in such scenarios or in such sectors is really important, because first of all, we are enhancing the efficiency, we are reducing the manpower's requirements, and we are running all of the things from one platform, from the office or from the operation room. So I feel that it's very practical, and we did several demos with our clients. It went very successful, and I see a bright future for the drone in a box concept.